Hi there. When I saw this book, it made me think of my friends when I was growing up. A couple of us were the small ones. So I want to dedicate this to Deanie and Karen, The Little Excavator by Anna Dewdney. And you know what? She wrote the Llama Llama books. So when I saw this really cool cover, and then I saw this really wonderful author, I thought this has got to be a great book. It does not disappoint. So here we go. Look at this. Oh, there's a building lot, and they're going to do something to that. They need to do something to make it better. Let's see what happens. Little excavator. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Oh, uh-oh, little excavator. Now you're in a jam. Gram goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smoosha, smoosha, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk. Junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with a clunk. Oh no. Drum goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Brump goes the backhoe digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang. Work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Uh-oh. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Whirr goes the tall crane rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swish, swish, high, high, high. Little E is stretching. He goes tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator. You're too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. Oh my, they're all lined up. None of them can do it. Who's there? Everybody tries it and it's much too tight. Uh-oh. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. The end. I like that story. And this says, for little diggers everywhere. I hope you liked that. I'll talk to you later. Bye.